With the general election just about 5 months away, the IEBC is putting up measures to ensure that everything runs smoothly come March 4th, when Kenyans will pick their new crop of leaders. Following the mock elections carried out in Kajiado, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission estimates that it will take a voter about 10 minutes to vote, a realization that has compelled the commission to revise its polling window, which is normally from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Should there be many voters within the polling stations, even beyond 5, they will be allowed to vote. We shall not disenfranchise any Kenyan who will be at the polling stations during voting.
Given the huge population of illiterate voters, the IEBC has made logistical changes to ensure that minimum time is spent by each voter on the polling day. For starters, the ballot boxes have been color-coded to match the respective ballot paper for each of the electoral posts. For example, if the presidential ballot paper is green, the ballot box will be green. Or if the ballot paper for the governor's position is pink, then the ballot box will be pink.
That makes it again easy for somebody who is illiterate to relate the colors.
Each polling center will have streams that will serve a maximum of 400 people each, and the voting area will be designed in such a way that it will be easy for the voter to move from one ballot box to the next. There have been concerns, however, that the voting exercise could interfere with the learning program, given the new school calendar, since most schools serve as polling centers. But the IEBC says it was working to ensure that there is minimum disruption to learning activities.
Yes, you're right. We have been talking to Ministry of Education. We are very much aware that, of course, if we are to hold elections on the 4th of March, that will be during the school term. We are hoping that our consultations will yield some positive results in that we can do that within the school's half-term period, probably a week.
The biometric voter registration kits are expected in the country the next 2 weeks to enable the voter registration exercise to begin on the 1st of November and continue for the next 30 days. The voters' register will be compiled in December, and the electorate will have a chance to verify their details starting on 4th of January. The verification exercise closes by end of January. Michael Njenga, Citizen Weekend, Nairobi.